26 crew member, one get tested positive on a cruise ship, a single cruise ship, guys. It is shocking and it's so bad news for us, the people who want to go on a cruise ship for sailing or working. It is not a good news. Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Oli. Guys, in today's episode, I'm going to talk about Carnival, specifically Carnival Vista, which is doing 7 days of cruising in Caribbean. The shocking news which is coming from the Carnival Vista is 27 people tested positive for coronavirus. Yes, guys, 27 people, which is not good. Not a single person should get here. 27 people are tested positive. Now, 26 of them are crew member and one is a guest. This ship was doing 7 days of cruising in Caribbean. The total number of passengers were on board the time when this COVID-19 attacked the ship was 2,895 and crew member was 1,441. This was the total number, but 27 people. Guys, this is such a large number on a same ship. People are getting COVID, which is not good. But the good part is this, all these 27 people were fully vaccinated, which is such a relief, believe me. So guys, till now there is no further update. I will keep updating you if I get any update on this news. For now, the news is 27 people on Carnival Vista tested positive for COVID-19. This is the news. Well guys, the second update which is coming from Celebrity Cruises. Now, Celebrity Cruises, the ship name is Celebrity Summit, which is also cancelled the sailing. Yes guys, I don't understand what is happening, why the cruise ship is cancelling the sailing. But the reason why Summit has cancelled the sailing, because there is change of rule in CDC guidelines, they say, and they have cancelled. This ship supposed to sail from August till September for sailing in Caribbean. Now they will not do it, which is not good news for cruise ship. So guys, I will keep updating you about cruise ship and cruise ship life. Please subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. So till then, bye from Cruising with Goldie.